Does that right? Is that right? 1421? Looks right. It doesn't look right.
48.
So 48 plus 33 is 11, 8. So that's 21 plus 1. So then it is 1421. Oh, yeah, my maths is good. I've been practicing my spelling to keep my brain healthy. I should practice my maths. What is it? When we go down the road at 100 kilometres an hour, we do 60 kilometres.
Right. And when we're doing 60 kilometres an hour,
For an hour?
For an hour, we do 60 kilometres.
60, 60, 60.
Yeah. So if we're doing 120...
Nah, I want hundreds.
Well, I'll do 120.
Okay, 120.
We do 120 kilometres an hour, which means we're doing a kilometre every 30 seconds.
So when we're doing 100...
We're doing somewhere in between that. So.
Oh, fuck, that's not easy.
Well, I don't know, because it's hard math, that one. It's about...
You know, I did special maths, like advanced maths.
Oh, I thought you were going to say special maths, like veggie math.
No, my sister did veggie maths. I did advanced maths. And my brain just fried. And I was in physics and I went, oh, fuck, this is just too hard. I'm not doing that. Then I went to humanities. I could have grown my brain, Shane.
Could have.
I'm okay with that. Okay, maybe I wasn't as successful as I could have been. Chances are I would have changed career anyway, yeah?
Yep.